for a spooky snack that won't hurt your teeth. Today in Kiddy Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw a Bat Candycorn Squishmallow. So let's start drawing. First, draw a large egg shape for the characteristic shape of the Squishmallow. Draw a half circle right under the top. Then draw an upside down letter V, with the outer side being a little curve. Then draw a curved line in the middle to finish the ear. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other ear. Draw an upside down letter V coming out from the left side of the Squishmallow. Make it a bit wide and curved. Draw a wavy line to connect the outer side of the wing to the Squishmallow. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other wing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Inside the Squishmallow, draw a circle for the eye, then color it. Make the other eye similarly. Draw a curve in the middle to make the smiley mouth. Decorate the Squishmallow with 2 horizontal lines to make the shape of the candy corn. Batlicious! Now you can draw a Bat Candycorn Squishmallow. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a city effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your color. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.